Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change or edit business location or address in Google Business Profile. Before starting, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in google.com/business. So this is our page and then you see sign in button, so click on it. Then you see our business and then you see status. So we are going to change business location or address. Also you see pencil icon, edit information. If you want you can click on it, or if you want you can click directly on this link, so click on it. So it's up to you. And then you see multiple options, so click on edit profile. Now business information pop-up open and then on top you see tab about, contact, location, or more, so click on location. And then you see location and area, business location. You see pencil icon, so click on it. And then you see show business address to customer, enable. And then you see country region Mexico, click on it. This can't be edited. To change your country or region you will have to create a new business profile on Google. And then you see street address. If you want you can add more address line, optional. And then you see neighborhood, postal code, town, city, state, so you can add information according to your requirement. You see state drop down, so you can select state and then click on save information. You see save button, so click on it. Now saving, so you can add business location according to your requirement and then click on save button on Google Business Profile. So this location or address will update on Google and Google Map. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.